In the Hindu tradition, the last full moon of the year is in the Phalguna Masa. So the next full moon will be in the new year, the beginning of the Chaitra Masa. Now we celebrate the last full moon of the year as the holy festival, the celebration of colors. Now there are two mythological stories of significance related to this holy festival. There was a demon king by name Hiranyakashipu. He was always after wealth, and he thought that that all the subjects of his kingdom in the three worlds has to worship him. But his own son Prahlada, he was always worshipping Narayana. So he was always worshipping Hari Narayana with full devotion, with full faith and innocence. So Hiranyakashipu got very angry. He devised a plan to kill Prahlada. He used various methods, but he just couldn't get rid of Prahlada. So he called upon his sister Holika. She had a boon. Whoever sits on the lap of Holika, that person would get burnt into ashes. So Hiranyakashipu asked Holika to make Prahlada sit on the lap of Holika. Now, instead of Prahlada getting burnt, Holika herself got burnt. Now, this is the story, but there is a very beautiful meaning behind it. Hiranyakashipu represents our gross element, our deep desire in the material world, our ego. Holika represents our past burden, which tries to burn our innocence. In this case, innocence is Prahlada. So our innocence gets burnt with the past burden, with Holika. So Prahlada represents innocence, bliss, joy, happiness, and devotion and faith. So the story signifies that with deep devotion and faith, our past impressions can get burnt. So, and every emotion that we experience is associated with a certain color. Like anger is associated with red, love is associated with pink, vastness is associated with blue. So when we see each emotions clearly, then our life becomes blissful. So that's why we celebrate Holi on this day. There is another story. There was a demon by name Tarakasura. Now he had a boon that he would only get killed. He would only get killed by the son of Ishvara, Shiva. But Shiva, he was always in meditative state. So somebody had to wake him up. So all the devatas, all the gods requested the Kamadeva, the Cupid, the Kamadeva to wake Shiva. So once Kamadeva, the Cupid, he threw the arrows on Shiva. Shiva got very angry. His third eye opened and he burnt Kamadeva. He burnt Kamadeva. So this means Shiva represents our consciousness. So when our energy rises till the third eye represents our awareness. So when we see things with awareness, all our desires get killed. So all the devatas requested Shiva. Now the Kamadeva, the god of desires, got destroyed. Now how will the world continue? So Shiva on this day gave birth to a new Kamadeva called Satyakama, which means the desire with right intention. With right intention to desire. Then only the world can move peacefully. So Shiva, with the union of Shiva and Shakti, the Skanda, the Subramanya or Kartikeya was born, and he killed Tarakasura. So on this day, we celebrate Holi with festival, with colors. So we throw colors on people, we enjoy. This just to signify that let's forget all the past impressions, and let's, at the end of the year, which is the end of the on this full moon, let's forget all the past impressions and let's celebrate Holi with the right emotions. And emotions with knowledge is blissful. Emotions without knowledge can turn out to be a disaster. Jai Guru.